Hey guys!
We are at Lodge of the Four Seasons in Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri, and having a great time. I'm going to show you around the property.
So we've recently actually stayed at Engar Arts Hotel in St. Louis, Missouri. And so check out our video about that, along with some of our more recent videos as we tour around Missouri. The Lodge of Four Seasons is located in Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri, about 3 hours southwest of St. Louis.
The property has a very grand feeling when you arrive, and it has a rather large, grand entranceway with a fireplace that you can sit around. There are multiple buildings on property, and we will get to some of those in just a little bit after this room tour. Lodge of Four Seasons, room 6307. It is a king bedroom with balcony. There are chairs on the balcony for you to sit, and a really great view of the Lake of Ozarks. And that is the room tour for the king bed room with balcony at Lodge of Four Seasons in Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. Not all the rooms have the same type of views, so I highly recommend calling the hotel when scheduling your room, as scheduling online makes it difficult to figure out which room type you're getting exactly. After we checked out the hotel room, we went to the restaurant that's inside the lodge for dinner, and it was pretty cozy. They had a full bar, pretty good food selection, some pretty interesting drinks, live music on the weekends, a fireplace. One of the drinks even had a piece of burning wood in it, which created this smoky effect, which you'll see in just a second.
Get one of your onion rings. Okay. And then I think we're just going to split a pizza. You want salsa with bacon?
We had a s'mores for dessert, and then we sat around and listened to some music from Tim Gaines, who did a great job playing the guitar. After a couple more drinks, we headed back out to check out the outside areas of the lodge. Especially when it was close to sunset, it made it really pretty over the water. As you can see, they have a really nice garden area, very nicely landscaped going down towards the lake. There's outdoor pool area, plenty of places to hang out. There's even an outdoor bar, which wasn't open at the time because we visited during the winter months, but I'm sure during the summer it is quite the place to hang out. When you first get to the lodge, I highly recommend wandering the halls because it turns into quite an interesting maze with a great waterfall feature right in the middle of the hotel. There's also some really great conference rooms, which is one of the large reasons that people visit this lodge. Many different rooms set up for various conferences, and we observed more than one conference going on at the same time while we were staying at Lodge of the Four Seasons. There is a kids room, of course, with activities for kids. It looks like it's set up so that they could do childcare there, which they probably do in non-COVID times. There is a swimming pool that is indoor-outdoor, connected through a retracting window, and a very large hot tub, which probably one of the largest hot tubs we've ever seen. So during the summer months, you could take advantage of that outside area. The shop was a great place to get groceries if you needed them, or some gifts and knickknacks to take back to the family. Pretty much what you would expect to see at a lodge or large hotel store. Just things that you need for your trip. There are multiple buildings on the property, as I said earlier, and a couple of them are hotel rooms. So there's the Seasons Bay, which is the external hotel rooms. You probably want to try to stay in the main lodge because then you have access to everything inside, but these exterior rooms are very nice as well. This is the beach at Lodge of Four Seasons, and you can also see part of the marina. There's a much larger marina around the other side of the property as well. And some of the hotel rooms that are separate from the main lodge face the beach. We drove around to the other side of the property where the marina is located and checked it out. It's a fairly good sized marina, and it looks like lots of people store their boats here year round. They had a shop where they could work on them, repair them, and a boat launch. My guess is that larger boats are brought in by water because of how hilly it is on the property. But looks like a great place to store your boat and have a lot of fun during the summer. The marina had a store on property so that you can get those last minute items that you need for your boat. And across the main street is a golf course. The golf course is part of the property and is very conveniently located with its own clubhouse. That pretty much concludes our tour. We'll leave you with a local favorite. the Italian place Lil Rizzo's just down the street. You should check it out if you're in the area. They had really great pizza. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep an eye on our channel for future travel videos. Thanks, guys.